did not record when I was doing an unboxing of this, so I'm going to have to redo it, but I already unboxed it. So this drill gave out on me. I had to fix this. I had it for like 5 years. So I wanted a cheap option until I can get it fixed. I paid 14 or no, I paid 20 for it. I would have got it on sale. When they have their next sale, I would have got it for 14. When they have their next 30% off, I might pick up another one if this works good. Because I usually run into the problem where I'm doing a project and I'm screwing something in. Before I do, I gotta take it out to drill. So this would come in handy with that. But feels lighter than this, but it actually feels more cheaper too. So I'm gonna see how it holds up, because I do flatbed loads. I got like the little hook to roll the straps up, so I'm gonna see how this works. See if it can do 3 loads a day and do my project I have to do, finish when this gave out on me. Doesn't feel bad. Two every flatbedder should have. I usually have a DeWalt, but it broke, so I got this right now. So this is definitely a great buy. I would buy it again for $20. You guys did everything I needed to do. Had no problems. Everything I tried to unloosen with it. I winched up my straps, no problems. So I would definitely buy it again for $20. If you can get it for 14, even better. When they have their next 20% off,